The IIHS gives the Ford Focus a ding in its well-being profile. The Ford Focus has endured changes in crash testing since it was new in 2012. It's never again a pioneer, which is the reason we give it a 6 for well-being. The Focus gains a 5-star general rating from the NHTSA, the smaller auto. Additionally, it gains 5-star appraisals in side effect and front effect subtests. The IIHS says the Focus is great for crash well-being in many tests, yet just merits a worthy rating in its little cover test. That keeps it from any top safety pick grant. Portage makes a rear-view camera standard on the Focus, and blind side screens and dynamic path controller choices. It doesn't offer forward impact notices with programmed crisis braking, a component that has turned out to be standard on numerous vehicles. The Focus offers great outward vision, however the rear-view camera helps settle some minor blind sides. It's not as supportive on autos with a littler 4.2-inch. Show us it is on autos with a bigger 8.0-inch touchscreen. The IIHS says the Focus doesn't do well in its most recent crash test, however. Different scores are fine, and all models have a rear-view camera. Other standard highlights incorporate USB and Bluetooth sound, and in an enchanting retro return, a CD player. Top trims get root, calfskin, and unmistakable and simple to utilize infotainment framework, and Sony sound. The 2018 Ford Focus has expansive interest, perhaps excessively wide, making it impossible to process initially. Driving every day, there's a Focus for that. Into the gas mileage way of life, there's one of those as well. What about destroying tires as a piece of your day-by-day ablutions? Check. The Focus family runs the range from tight-fisted cars and hatchbacks to true blue track weapons. The S, SE, and SEL tilt toward the last mentioned, while the Saint and RS convey a colossal turbocharged kick in the genes. All have great taking care of. Cramped back seats, to some degree higher sticker prices than opponents, and preferable extravagance touches over security scores.